Good morning, students. We are discussing the 13th poem, Caged Bird. Even some people pronounced this caged as caged also, caged bird. Students, let's see the first stanza of the poem. A free bird lives on the back of the wing and floats downstream till the current ends, and dips his wing in the orange sun rays and dares to claim the sky. Students, in the first stanza of the poem, the poet has presented a free bird. When we read the first line, in first line itself, the poet has presented a free bird. When we read this stanza, we can come to know that in the first stanza, the poet has talked about freedom. Freedom of a free bird, which is not caged. Strong verbs are used by Maya Angelou to express the happiness of freedom, to express joy of freedom in the first stanza. The poet has expressed the joy of freedom or happiness of liberty by using the strong verbs such as leaps, floats and dips. These verbs present a joy of freedom or happiness of liberty. In the first stanza, Maya Angelou has presented a free bird that is enjoying its freedom. The free bird claims that the sky as its own and it is not going to share it with anyone, and enjoys the liberty, enjoys the freedom fully. The free bird lives, floats and dips. This floats, dips and lives, these verbs suggest the happiness of a free bird. So in the first stanza of the poem, Maya Angelou has presented a free bird and its movements and its happiness. And by presenting a free bird, Maya Angelou has shown the happiness or the joy of freedom in the first stanza. The bird claims that the sky is belong to it and it does not share with anyone. Thank you, students.